Are you looking for unique side hustles that no one is doing? Well, you've stumbled upon the right place. This is where we lift the veil on those often overlooked, yet potentially lucrative side hustles that you might just fall in love with. We're about to embark on a journey, exploring 6 distinctive side hustles that are not your everyday fare. We're talking about creative and fun endeavors that can surprisingly turn a profit. So buckle up and get ready to discover side hustles you've probably never thought of before. First on the list is becoming a content critic. Now you may be asking, what does a content critic do? Well, just like a movie or book reviewer, a content critic analyzes and provides feedback on various forms of digital content. This could range from blog posts and ebooks to podcasts and YouTube videos. The aim is to assess the quality, relevance, and effectiveness of the content. Why is it a viable side hustle, you ask? With the surge of digital content being produced daily, businesses and creators alike are in need of keen eyes and sharp minds to help them refine their work. As a content critic, you could be that invaluable resource. Getting started is simpler than you might think. Equip yourself with a basic understanding of content strategy and SEO principles. There are plenty of free resources online to help you with this. Next, develop a portfolio showcasing your analytical skills, perhaps by critiquing popular content in your field of interest. This will serve as a testament to your abilities when pitching to potential clients. One of the critical aspects of this hustle is finding work. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even LinkedIn can be great places to start. As for setting rates, consider the complexity of the content you're reviewing and the time you'll invest. With the rise of online content, there's never been a better time to get into content criticism. Next, we have the creation of theme pages. Now, what is a theme page, you ask? Picture a digital canvas where you collect and display content tailored to a specific theme or interest. It could be anything from vintage fashion to modern architecture or even exotic food recipes. The key here is to choose a theme that resonates with you and that you believe will draw an audience. Now, why is this a profitable side hustle? Well, once you've amassed a substantial following, brands related to your theme will come knocking at your door, ready to pay for a spot on your page. It's all about influencer marketing. Brands are always on the hunt for niche audiences, and theme pages provide an excellent platform for them. Creating a theme page is a journey that starts with choosing a theme. It's essential to pick something you are passionate about, as this will reflect in the content you curate and share. Once you've chosen a theme, the next step is to start curating and posting content. The trick to growing an audience is consistency and engagement. Post regularly and make sure to interact with your followers. Respond to their comments, ask for their opinions, make them feel valued. Remember, your audience is your biggest asset. So if you have a knack for curating content and an eye for what people love, starting a theme page could be your ticket to a profitable side hustle. Third on our list is a very specific yet highly in-demand skill: designing thumbnails. Now you may be wondering, what exactly is a thumbnail? Simply put, it's the small preview image that represents a video, a blog post, or any piece of content online. It's the first thing viewers see before deciding to click on your content, making it a critical part of any online presence. Good thumbnails can significantly increase the click-through rate of any online content. They need to be attractive, engaging, and most importantly, they must tell a story at a glance. That's where your creative skills come into play. So how do you start offering thumbnail design services? The first step is to master the art of thumbnail design. There are countless online tutorials and courses that can help you enhance your design skills. Practice is key here. Create thumbnails for imaginary content or redesign thumbnails for existing content, just for practice. Once you're confident in your abilities, it's time to find clients. Start with freelancing platforms, then move on to direct outreach. Contact content creators, offer them your services, and build a strong portfolio. Remember, everyone from YouTubers to bloggers to e-commerce businesses need good thumbnails. So there's plenty of demand out there. Don't underestimate the power of a great thumbnail. It's a small detail that can make a big difference, and that's why people are willing to pay for it. Our fourth side hustle is a classic that's still highly relevant today: tutoring. This timeless venture continues to be an effective way to generate extra income, while simultaneously providing a valuable service to others. The beauty of tutoring lies in its flexibility. You can tutor virtually any subject you excel in, from academic subjects to musical instruments, languages, or even soft skills like public speaking. In this digital age, tutoring isn't limited to your local community either, thanks to online platforms that connect tutors with students globally. So, How do you get started? First, identify your area of expertise. What do you know that others might want to learn? Next, establish your rates. Consider your level of expertise, the going rate for tutors in your field, and the time you'll spend preparing for each session. Remember, tutoring isn't just about the time spent in the session itself. Finding students might feel a bit challenging initially. Start by advertising your services on social media, local community boards, or tutoring websites. Word of mouth is powerful, so don't hesitate to ask friends, family, or colleagues to spread the word. High-demand subjects can vary based on location and time of year. However, languages, STEM subjects, and test prep consistently rank high. Tutoring is a side hustle that not only earns you money but also helps others. It's a win-win situation. Next up is a less common but highly lucrative side hustle: becoming a high-ticket closer. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is a high-ticket closer? Well, in the simplest terms, a high-ticket closer is someone who excels at closing sales deals that involve expensive goods or services. These are not your everyday items, but rather high-value products or services that offer substantial commissions. This side hustle is profitable because the commissions from these high-ticket items can be incredibly rewarding. Imagine earning a 5, 6, or even 7-figure commission from a single sale. Sounds enticing, doesn't it? But remember, with high rewards comes high responsibility. So, how do you become a high-ticket closer? It starts with honing your sales skills. This involves mastering the art of persuasion, understanding your prospective clients' needs, and effectively communicating the value of what you're selling. You also need to be comfortable dealing with rejection and persistent in your approach. Finding high-ticket items to sell is the next step. Luxury real estate, high-end automobiles, expensive tech gadgets, premium consulting services. These are just a few examples. The key is finding a product or service you are passionate about. Lastly, don't forget to build a network. Connect with people who can provide you access to potential clients or guide you on your journey to becoming a successful high-ticket closer. If you have the gift of persuasion, high-ticket closing could be the side hustle you've been searching for. Last but not least, we have web design. In the vast expanse of the digital universe, a well-designed website is a beacon of light guiding users to information, products, or services. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality, ease of use, and the overall user experience. That's why web design is such a vital skill and a fantastic side hustle. But how do you start offering web design services? Let's break it down. First, you need to learn the basics of web design. Look for online courses or tutorials that cover user interface and user experience design, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Practice makes perfect, so start by designing your own website or offering to help a friend or local business for free. Now, let's talk about finding clients. Start by creating a portfolio showcasing your work. This will provide potential clients with a visual representation of your skills. Then, network like there's no tomorrow. Attend local business events, join online communities, and use social media to your advantage. Remember, everyone needs a website, from small businesses to large corporations, from bloggers to online retailers. It's a digital storefront, a business card, and a marketing tool all wrapped up in one. So the demand for good web designers is high and only getting higher. In today's digital age, good web design is crucial. If you can master this skill, you'll never be short of work. So, there you have it, 6 unique side hustles that you probably haven't considered before. We've delved into the world of content critique, where your keen eye for detail can be your ticket to success. We've explored the creative realm of theme pages, where you can turn your passion into a profitable venture. We've touched on the art of thumbnail design, a skill that's in high demand in this digital age. We've discussed tutoring, a noble and rewarding hustle that can truly make a difference in someone's life. We've introduced the concept of high-ticket closing, a strategy that can yield impressive profits with the right approach. Lastly, we've taken a look at web design, a hustle that combines creativity with technical know-how. Each of these hustles offers a unique opportunity for income and personal growth. Why not give one of these side hustles a try? You might just find your new passion and make some extra cash along the way. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.